Hello guys, today we've got a very special video. I've never been this excited, but I got a package today. Right here. And I'm quite excited to open this. Right. I got it from the mail, and we'll see what's inside. I've been waiting for weeks. It looks nice. It's my own play button. It says, Mr. Jack Beanie, congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. And it says YouTube. So I'm thinking I'm going to put it on my wall or something to show everybody this, that I've received something new. And I couldn't believe I got this. This is all thanks to you guys for clicking that button. I really couldn't have done it without you. This is why I got this, because of you. And I couldn't have done it without you. So, thank you whoever subscribed to me. And, yeah, I'm just so grateful. Because I heard myself in the mail saying I had a package when I first got that 100. Saying it would just come. And this is what came. I think it took like a year or month. It took like a few months to get here. Because sometimes in the US. Don't know. Anyway, subscribe, turn the bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.